Hello guys, it's me, Yoshi, and Cat Peach. And today we're gonna play Sonic.exe version 666. Yeah, that's right. So the one thing you know why I did this video, so Green Yoshi isn't here, so I'll take over for him. So alright, now let's play Sonic.exe version 666. Alright, let's do it. I hit enter. Now it's about to load up. Okay, now it's about to load up. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's going really awesome right now. Just gonna hit enter and it'll probably just load up the game right now, so I think it's probably gonna take a while, but something, is it loaded up or something? I know, Sonic. You're probably evil. Yeah, that's the face right there. All right, it's time to select Tails. So excited! I'm so awesome right now. Did you guys hear that Sonic.exe laugh? I'm pretty sure he'll like one. Wait. Oh yeah, you can jump. Also, you can't jump in version 5. Only you can jump in version 666. So you can finally jump. And dead flower sprites, dead animal sprites. Dude, this is really messed up, man. Alright. Dude, this is so really messy. Oh my god! Wait, is there a Sonic.exe on the trees? But hope I can find it. Hold on, let me go find it. Oh, yep, there he is. Yep, he's on the tree. Yep, I saw Sonic. Yep, I think I saw Sonic.exe on the tree, so. And the music just stopped. And there's Sonic. Tails, I know you're next, but. Oh my god! Oh, let's see. Hello, do you want to play with me? Well, I guess. Here we go. Hide and seek. Oh, there's some explosions down there, I guess. Wait a minute. Only I could jump. That's not gonna do anything. Oh my god, this is really awesome. Whoa! Okay, I can't jump anymore. Sonic's chasing Tails down. Oh god! Oh! He's crying. Oh, there you are. Ooh! That got into the body right there. You're too slow. Want to try again? Heck no. Oh my god. Look at this Tails' skin. It's all black and he died. Okay, it's time to play as Knuckles, I guess. Well, I guess. Oh god, the water bottle. Okay, so only one thing the Ultimate DS fan found this Easter egg. I'm gonna go over here and see I can find that Easter egg over there. What happens if I jump? Let's see if I can do it. And jump. Oh, I messed it up. I messed it up that time. Alright. Don't like playing by the rules? Oh, of course not. That's a lot of F's. Whoa! I never seen that before. That's not her name right there. Jump. I know Sonic.exe is not real. Won't be long now. Well, okay then. No. Nope. This is fake. This is 100% fake. Are you listening? For sure I am. Okay. You're... What? Well, that was supposed to happen. Alright, next. Okay, you can't run. Wait, should I? Oh, I can jump. Knuckles can jump now. Let's see what happens next. I'm just gonna get this and, Whoa, there goes the static again. Static. 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 Dude, that's Mortal Kombat. Dude, that's Mortal Kombat blood. Dude, that's Mortal Kombat blood. Oh! What? Okay. Found you. Oh, okay, he found me. Come on. I'm gonna punch you in the face, Knuckles. I'm gonna punch you in the face, Sonic. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Come on. Stop moving. Okay. We died. That's a really crazy scream right there. So many songs to play with so little time. Would you agree? No. No, not at all. Look at this look at Knuckles.exe sprite. That's really messed up. So many people are asking this is a Tails.exe sprite. Yeah, that's why. Alright, Robotnik it is. Dr. Robotnik's gonna die now. 3 dots. Also, only one thing about this game, so Dr. Eggman can't jump. See? See? Dr. Eggman can't jump. Well, that's just sad. That's just sad. That's really, really, really sad. There's some stairs. Alright. Now the flames are blue now. Alright. Downstairs now. Alright. Downstairs. Even though this game is fake, you know. Whoa! All the lights are black out. And, what happened next? Oh, there you are! Hey! Why the lights turned off? And, well, I guess not. And, well, that was supposed to happen, I guess. Hi. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of you. Dude, this is like an ultimate staring contest. Like, am I gonna win? So I just gonna stare at you? On ya? Oh! That wasn't supposed to... excuse me, Sonic.exe. You're uploading not real. See, the game is fake. See, the game is fake. It's not real. Oh, hell no! I'm not ready for round 2. Nope, not at all. Look at the Sonic's face. It got really messed up. Oh, Tails is crying. Game over. Oh, now it's a Japanese text. This is really messed up, man. Hold on, give me a second. I'm just gonna turn off the sound, so none of you can hear it. Open this, and then I'm just gonna Bro, that's 100% not real. So Sonic.exe is not God. So we're just gonna kill him and bam, and there we go. That's how you killed Sonic.exe for this powerful text matches. So that's the end of the game right there. So that was the whole Sonic.exe version 666. Also, we got a special bonus for this one. Hold on, I'm just gonna load up the game. So, even though this was, I got a special, even though we got a bonus. A bonus! Yeah, this game is probably gonna take forever. That wouldn't take too long. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, this is gonna be great. So awesome right now. I received a bonus and okay. Before we go into the Halloween update area, so I'm just gonna defeat a super glue. He was probably the hardest one. To fight. And bam. That was too easy. We defeat Glue and there's a victory. And yay, look at all this experience. Yay. Okay, so I had to go to the Halloween update area. So even though there's a Foxy.exe game, so let's do it. Alright. So that's a different fret bearer. So we're just gonna go down here. We'll go look at Freddy Fazbear's sprite, right? Look at this Freddy sprite right now. Oh, there's a coffee machine for the Dexter Hopes. Alright. Cat Peach, are you ready for the bonus? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Here we go. Going in the portal. There's a special software. Foxy.exe. Yep, he's kind of pretty scary. Yep, I see you, Foxy. I know, I gotta find a key. Gotta find the key. Gotta find the key. Gotta find the key. Gotta find the keys. Gotta find the keys. Gotta find the keys. That's what he's saying. Bonnie's gotta stop saying fawa a lot of times. I saw you move. Here we go. Second round. Oh, go back. Get out of here, Freddy. Go back. This game not scaring me. Go back. Get out of here. Go back. Get out of here. No more Freddy jump scares right now. Go back. Get out of here. Look at Foxy. It's getting really stretchy right now. Almost there. I'm almost there. Alright, now here's the cat part. You can see that face right there. Cat face is right there. Alright, we're past the first one. Alright. There's no shadow of the cat. Wait, what happens if I touch it? Wait, what happens if I touch the cat? And you will jump scare you, and you will lose the damage. And you will lose one. If you get jump scared 2 times, you will lose it. You will lose. And there's a cat again. And I'm just gonna wait for it. 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 That's a really cat. That's a really cat. That's a really silly cat face right there. Alright. Alright, just gonna wait for it. 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 Now go! Anyways, if you get jump scared 2 times, you will lose the game. Yeah. Just gotta keep going forwards. And... BAM! That's how you beat it. Yep, already got a new party member, so, yeah. Alright. Whew. That was a really long video right here. Okay, guys. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.